So this is the part that you're having the problem with. 2 screws that hold it in place. This is the battery box. Once you've unscrewed all 4 screws, you can lift it off. Then this will be screwed down, and you can just unscrew it. And then once it's unscrewed, both of these. Then just simply put out, and then you can just replace it with a new part, which we'll send you. Slides back in. And you just simply screw it back in place. And obviously I'll double check to make sure the plug fits in. That's now screwed back into place. And then this is the charger. Inserts inwards fully. As you can see, it's tight, can't fall out, so you shouldn't have a problem from now on.